In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude for Windows quickly and easily, step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or you just want a simple walkthrough, this guide will help you download, install, and sign in without any confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai/download. This is the official download page for Claude, so it's the safest place to get the Windows version. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Click that button to begin downloading the installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and find the file called Claude Setup.exe. This is the installer you just downloaded. Double-click the file to run it. In most cases, Windows may ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that happens, click Yes to continue. Now the installation will happen automatically. You do not need to go through a long setup process or customize a bunch of settings. Just give it a moment while Claude installs itself on your system. Depending on your computer and internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the installation is complete, the Claude app should launch automatically. When it opens, you'll be taken to the sign-in screen. From here, sign in using either your email address or your Google account. Choose the option that is easiest for you, then follow the prompts to log in. After you sign in, Claude for Windows will be ready to use. At that point, you can start asking questions, generating content, or using it for whatever workflow you need. That's all there is to it. The installation process is very simple and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.